Once the crown jewel of global wealth, London stood tall as the playground of the powerful. But something is changing. The private jets are leaving, the luxury homes are quiet, and the billionaires, they are gone. This is not just an escape, it is an exodus, and behind it lies a story of rising taxes, political paranoia, and a quiet rebellion of the rich. I am Uma, and this is Trendline Times, where we don't chase the noise, we decode the power plays shaping our world. In 2024, over 500 ultra high net worth individuals quietly vanished from the UK's tax radar. And in 2025, that number is not just growing, it is accelerating. UK loses more millionaires than any other Western European nation. They are not just packing bags, they are abandoning a system because the rules have changed and the trust has shattered. For decades, Britain's non-domiciled tax rule was a golden handshake for the ultra-wealthy. Live in London, keep your offshore wealth untouched. But now that era is over. If you change the rules mid-game, don't be surprised when the players walk off the field. To the super rich, this is not about fairness, it's about financial trust shattered by these sudden reforms. They are not tax dodgers, they are power players who refuse to play blind. Let's see what would be the billionaires' escape routes. Dubai, no income tax, luxury plus privacy. Singapore, hyper secure, globally strategic. Italy and Portugal, flat tax, golden visa, quiet diplomacy. London was once the world's velvet vault, a city where money moved quietly and wealth was respected. But in 2025, that illusion has cracked. Trust gone. Now wealth is under surveillance, success is under suspicion, and the elite, they feel haunted, not honored. The actual elite sentiments are: we built London's economy, now we are being taxed out of it. The city of opportunity became the city of exposure. Respect has replaced with resentment. What the world misses: when billionaires leave, they do not just relocate their families, they relocate industries, networks, banks, legacies. And what follows them? Luxury brands, private banking hubs, tech startups, entire ecosystems. The UK is bleeding quiet power, and nations like the UAE, they are building new financial empires on that very blood. This is not a story about wealth, it is a warning. A city once built for the elite is now pushing them out, and the global balance of power, it is being redrawn behind closed doors. When billionaires flee, it is not just geography that changes, it is the balance of global power. This is not just about tax policies or politics, it is about trust collapsing at the highest levels and the silent war between nations and the elite who once served them. So, the next time you hear about a billionaire moving to Dubai, ask yourself, what are they running from and who is really losing? I am Uma, and this is Trendline Times. We don't just track the obvious, we follow the money, the silence, and the power behind it all. If this made you think, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. This is just the beginning of a bigger conversation.